Hello, this is Phonics Lesson number 25. And we're going to put it all together again. And we're going to start with the title of this book. Let's start. Well, we know that's an open syllable, so that's just an I. This is closed. Just. Here's an R, or, got, forgot. I just forgot. And this happens to be one of my favorite authors, not just because he has his first name is my last name, by Mercer. I like Little Critter. Okay. We start with this very first word, and hopefully that's a sight word you already know, some, but if it's not, we could say times. Sometimes. That can't be right, so then we flip it and say sometimes remember. Sometimes I remember, and sometimes I just see the R controlled, get. Sometimes I remember, and sometimes I just forget. If we had to work to come up with any of those words, then we go back and reread so that we work on our fluency too. And look at Little Critter. He doesn't like that he forgets. We're not going to read this whole book. I just want to show you how learning your syllables helps when you go into your books. This is a sight word, but it doesn't have to be because it follows the rules. This. What kind of syllable is this? R controlled. And so it's or. Orn. This morning. This morning, there's that same big word again. Bird. I remembered to, close syllable, sh. Brush. This morning, I remembered to brush my, I bet you can guess that word, teeth. It follows the rules, but when you're reading along, you can guess a word that makes sense without having to spend all the time to decode it. This morning, I remembered to brush my teeth, B-U-T, but I forgot to, that's that E, so that's going to say A, make my bed. This morning, I remembered to brush my teeth, but I forgot to make my bed. And it looks like Mom's not very happy with him. We're just going to read one more page just to practice putting it all together. Here we go. I put my dishes. I put my dishes in the sink after breakfast. Well, if I follow the rules, that's what it says. But what do we know that is? I put my dishes in the sink after breakfast. That's right. So this word doesn't follow the rules, but if we follow the rules, we can figure out what that word is. I put my dishes in the sink after breakfast, but I controlled forgot to put the milk away. I put my dishes in the sink after breakfast, but I forgot to put the milk away. And Mom doesn't look very happy, does she? Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, you can read. You can use your syllable types. Even when a word like breakfast doesn't follow the rules, we use the rule first. Eek. That's a vowel team. Break. Fast. Break fast. And then we know that doesn't make sense. He must be meaning breakfast. So yes, some words don't follow the rules, but we use our rules to help decode those words. Or we use a guess like we did back here on teeth, because our brains filled it in to brush my teeth. We wouldn't say brush my hair here because the beginning sound is not an H. So make sure today, as part of your phonics lesson, that you find a book and that you work through the syllable types as you read a page or two, and then maybe mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, somebody who loves you can read the rest to you today. Keep practicing and keep reading.